How to search for a button on Proloquo2Go. Step 1. Find Proloquo2Go on the device. Step 2. Select the 4 boxes to open the search symbol. Step 3. Find and tap the search symbol. Step 4. Open the search bar. Step 5. Type the word you are trying to find. We will find chips as an example. Step 6. Touch the search button. It will be blue. Step 7. Tap the first search result. Step 8. Follow the guide to your selected word. Every other word will be blacked out, except the word that you are searching for.
Chips.
Step 9. Find and tap the home button. Step 10. Find it independently from the home screen.
Chips.
Step 11. Enjoy searching.